What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can turn off autoplay on YouTube in the home and all options. So what you need to do, first you have to go to on YouTube app. After going to YouTube, here you can see all the videos are playing auto mode on my feedback. After going to YouTube, you have to click on the profile. To stop this, you have to click on profile, then you have to click on the settings in the top right corner. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show you in the 3 steps that you can do it. First step is you have to go on settings, then you have to click on autoplay. After clicking on autoplay, you have to make sure this option is turned off. So this is the first option. The second option is you have to click on a video, then I'm going to show you. There is ad, please wait a minute. After click on a video, you can see here is an option called autoplay. You have to turn it off. Okay, to turn off the autoplay, then you have to go to settings again. The last option is you have to click on settings and general. After clicking on general, you can see here is an option called playback in feeds. You have to click on this playback in feeds, then you have to click on off. After clicking on this, you are ready to go. Now all of your autoplay videos on your YouTube is turned off. So this is how you can turn off autoplay on your YouTube videos in all the way. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.